So Dogecoin is looking rather volatile as per its recent market value. A lot of holders are afraid about where it's going from here. Today, it started trading at 22 cents, and then it progressively moved to 24 cents, and now it stands at around 25.5 cents. In this video, I'll talk about why this kind of volatility is really good news for Dogecoin. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Dogecoin prices continue to be in a mix of red and green on October 18. As you can see, Dogecoin dipped to 22 cents earlier today. This was a bit confusing for the holders, considering that some crypto experts are predicting Dogecoin to rally up to 500 to 1,000% higher. It was also confusing because Dogecoin ultimately regained its value of 24 cents very quickly after that. Now, despite this rise, concerns are there because of the price action that we saw earlier today. Personally, I think that this isn't something we should lose our sleep over. Dogecoin is still very much alive, and just because it dipped earlier today doesn't mean it'll only go down from here. As you can see, it's moved over all of its crucial support levels and moving averages except the 200-day moving average. After the rise that we saw today, it got 13 buy signals and just one sell signal. And as far as the 1,000% rally prediction is concerned, experts also stated that such results will come in the longer run. And this is why I've been telling you to be patient. The only way you lose is if you sell at a loss. The future does look promising for Dogecoin, considering that its correlation with Bitcoin is still very high and that it's rising again. As you can see here, it stands at 0.69 right now, and it has increased by 0.05 since yesterday. Now, this is a big deal because Bitcoin's near future looks rather great. According to the stock-to-flow model, Bitcoin will reach 100K by the end of this year. And this is important to remember because stock-to-flow has been right about Bitcoin's position most of the time this year. And the second news is that the first Bitcoin ETF will finally come out tomorrow. This is going to be incredible because it'll bring in a lot of funds into Bitcoin from institutional investors. And this pump in Bitcoin will be great for Doge because of its high correlation. Now let's take a peek into an expert analysis about the bullish nature of Dogecoin and other coins. So as per a recent report by investing.com, Doge value is expected to increase as a result of the Dogecoin Foundation's recent addition of a new board of directors. The directors will finally assist in the management of the Doge projects, thereby increasing the company's market worth over its current $40 billion market cap. On the other hand, the site also listed some factors that may hinder the progress of Doge. To begin, it noted that meme coins such as Doge lack intrinsic value. As a result, it will be an easy target for crypto scammers. Second, as the quantity of meme coins increases, it becomes more difficult for crypto exchanges to determine how many of the coins are fraudulent. As a result, many investors are afraid to invest. However, I personally think that such factors can't hinder the progress of Doge since it has always avoided such factors in the past and can continue to do so in the future. And again, this is not financial advice, but my personal views. So you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. So as per the market periodical, Dogecoin is trading with new signs of momentum. The article elaborates that Dogecoin is trading sideways and locked between the critical moving averages of 20, 50, 100, and 200-day lines. Meanwhile, the volume activity is still small and has to rise tremendously in the next trading sessions. It further stated that currently, Doge is trading flat with a modest recovery from previous levels and volume activity is reduced. However, supporting volume activity will aid favorable gains once the crypto asset manages to maintain above all DMA levels. They also said that we might expect the second lap of the bullish rise after Doge sustains above 100 and 200 days with support volume activity. The bulls can push the token up to 30 cents to 34 cents in the next sessions, while downside support is 20 cents. Besides, the support on the lower side is 21 cents and 19 cents, whereas resistance on the higher side is 27 cents and 29 cents. Now, I think that this analysis may not be exactly right since Doge can witness gradual momentum in the coming days. So as we are seeing that many things are happening with Doge, especially today, Dogecoin on-chain data indicates the network's overall development, with the majority of Doge investors being profitable and the average transaction size increasing significantly. So the data implies that when the price of an asset increases, more background activity occurs on the network. While exchange inflows remain minimal, the increased transactional activity could mean one of two things. Traders are transferring tiny sums of money on exchanges or transferring Doge across wallets for various reasons. While exchanges have not yet recorded significant flow activity on Doge trading pairs, the negative impact of increased transaction activity may be felt if the bulk of coins are transferred to exchange wallets. So I think that while the on-chain data as a whole indicate a bearish market, this does not correspond to the present price action. Additionally, social sentiment indicators indicate that the Doge ticker is trending and outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of mentions. So I'm really excited to see how things unfold. So as we are seeing the dramatic rise and fall of Dogecoin, some Dogecoin knockoffs, on the other hand, have gained massively today. Coins such as Prince Floki, Kambai Inu, Hina Inu, Baby Saitama Inu, and Doge Dash are all experiencing significant growth. Prince Floki, a rebase token with Doge rewards, is up 2,171% during the past 24 hours. Among the other knockoff coins, Kambai Inu has gained 853% during the past 24 hours, while Hina Inu is up 136%. Meanwhile, Baby Saitama Inu has surged 119%, while Doge Dash gained 106% during the 24-hour period. And for comparison, Dogecoin is up 1.6% during the past 24 hours, trading at 24 cents at press time. Now, as per another report, Evergrow Coin, which was launched just 3 weeks ago, has since taken the crypto world by storm, with many experts hailing it as the next Dogecoin. I think the coin is still in its early phase. It is better to wait for some time to see its market growth. However, it is worth noting here how Dogecoin has influenced the crypto market. We have already seen dozens of Doge-inspired coins being introduced into the market. This shows us that Doge has been a lucrative digital asset, and others are trying to adapt to its success in the crypto world. Now, as we are witnessing fierce competition between top cryptos, let's dig into this report by Benzinga, where they reveal which crypto is the winner of this past week. So the report indicates that this week saw a roller coaster ride for most cryptos. While Bitcoin crossed the $60,000 mark and Ethereum went over the $3,400 mark, Dogecoin made a modest gain of 3.3% over the week. The report also suggests that the following week is anticipated to see increased activity in the crypto market, since the introduction of the Bitcoin ETF is viewed as a catalyst for the crypto's adoption, as well as other coins like Dogecoin. Now talking about the emerging crypto of the previous week, a report by Finger Lakes, one has tried to figure out who will rule in the upcoming year among Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and surprisingly Tesla. The article correlated the stocks and crypto market and explained the rising popularity of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Tesla. So as per this article, it is predicted that Bitcoin will continue to rise in 2021, reaching $100,000 to $200,000 mark. They also anticipated that Bitcoin will reach a high of $275,000 and a low of $42,000 in 2022. And coming to Dogecoin price predictions, they stated that it will compete with other cryptos and continue to rise, and the trade is predicted to begin at $1.5 in 2022 and might reach $10 with the assistance of significant influencers. And for Tesla's stock trend, they projected it to be optimistic in 2022 and projected it to range between $970 and $630. So the article concluded with the point that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Tesla all have the potential to rule the world in 2022 and reward investors with higher profits. Now, considering the current market run and some recent developments, I think that both Dogecoin and Bitcoin will see potential growth in 2022. However, all these figures are just some predictions, so if you are considering investing in crypto, you must do your own research to make an informed decision. Now, considering the recent surge in Bitcoin, Robert Kiyosaki, who is the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has recently stated that Bitcoin's future is quite bright. While previously, he predicted that a big stock market catastrophe may be on cards and it would also devastate the crypto market. Nonetheless, now he views Bitcoin as the most promising investment, saying that with the dollar falling, Bitcoin and silver are the best investments. And coming back to Doge, as I said, the good news is that its correlation with Bitcoin over the last 30 days remains fairly high. And this is extremely exciting, as Bitcoin is set to explode in the coming days as a result of the ETF approval. And this is why I'm quite positive about Dogecoin in general. So what are your views on this? Let me know in the comments section. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.